Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily start cleaning the feeder on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, let me go over to the menu. Now, let's go to Adjustment and Maintenance. Here, let's click on the Maintenance. And after that, let's click on Clean Feeder. As you guys can see, we need to load 10 sheets of A4 or letter paper in the feeder, and then it will automatically start cleaning after we press this little button right here on the right side at the bottom of the screen. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.